Sometimes when you're reviewing your drone footage, you'll see something or notice something you didn't see before, and sometimes it's kind of nice surprise. This is Fort Howe in England, and as far as I know, no one is supposed to be in this fort. But I could be wrong. In the same area, we had this derelict ship. You notice it's rusty real bad. It's almost rusted away. I think it's kind of amazing. The ship's almost rusted totally away, but yet the tires that are inside of it seem to be holding up fairly well. How long do tires last? It's easy to sit here and watch these dolphins and not pay attention to the surrounding of the dolphins. Then if you'll notice, a vast army of jellyfish. And we all know power lines can sneak right up on you. There's a beautiful little abandoned structure in Okinawa. I believe it was going to be a restaurant. And I was looking at the footage from the side, and it looks like a little truck or something at one point in time got washed up in the rocks. I'm not entirely sure. What do you think? I'm not even going to mention where this place is. I thought it was a really good looking video, and then I got to looking harder and I noticed all the oil and pollution and everything in the water, and just the trash all along the shoreline just kind of ruined it. Thanks for watching.